Hello, this is Bangling, and let's go through the code. Okay, first we're gonna see, look at this hiring management page, and then line 15 defines the three review tab, pending, rejected, and approved. And line 40 to 48, fetch token history, and line 51 to 62, and fetch applications for the active tab, and also store totals for the tab baggages. And line 68 until 80, let me see, until 80, and implement on submitted token. This is the invite form submit handler. It calls HRPI generate token, stores the return link in last link, resets the form, and refresh token history. And line 85 here until 104 is here, and implement copy link. It first tries navigator, clipboard write test. And if that is unavailable, it falls back to hidden test area plus document execute command and copy. Line 124 to 24 to let's see, 136. Here render the success alert with the copy link button. Okay, let's see 185 until 216 until here. Okay, and contain the token history status logic and four-way chip rendering, submitted, registered, expired, and not yet. And let's see 219 to 237, and render the per row open and copy item buttons. Okay, let's go to 256 until 260. Render the application field tabs with totals, and line 281 here until 95, and render the field application button that opens a new tab using router link. And then let's go to API, and then HRPI, yes, here. Let's see line 7 to 15 define the invite and onboarding review APIs used by this page, including generate token, list token history, list applications, and review application. Okay, and then let's go to a backend. Let's go to backend. Let me think. Here, yes, and services, I think. Oh yeah, here. Token service. Okay, let's see line 8 until 21. Line 8 until 21 here. And generate the token and registration link. And line 25 until 30, validate invalid used and expired tokens. Line 45 here. 45 until, let me see, hold on a second. Line 45 until 53, chain populate the user and onboarding application for ritual token history status. Okay, and then let me see, token service, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do, okay, still backend and controller, HR controller. And let's see line 15 until 31, and handle token generation and token history listing, while line 37 here until 58 Yeah, and implement list application by status and return both the filter applications and the totals in the same response. Okay, let's go next. We are going to front end. Okay, here page at HR and then HR application review here, and let's look at line 23 until 39. Load the application by reading application ID from the root, calling HR API list applications, and then finding the matching record. And then let's see, look at line 17. Here, it stores feedback in local states. And line 41 to 56 implement the refill handler, and line 42 to 45 enforce the reject with feedback route. Line 48 post to HR API refill application. Line 50 closes the tab or navigates back after success. Okay, let's see line 62 defines is pending. And line 190, 68 until 188. Here, conditionally render the feedback test area plus rejects and approve buttons only when app status is pending. Okay, and let's see line 153. Yes, here to 166. Here render the document list with preview button and download button. Okay, let's go to backend. Controllers and HR controllers here. Okay, and look at line 52. Oh, line 55. Sorry. To no 50, 65 to 75. Validate the decision, load the application, and reject review of already decided application. And 65 to and line 77 until 82. Implement the reject path, require feedback, set status to rejected, store feedback, and save. And then let's go to 85 to 88. That's implement the approved path by setting status to approve and clearing feedback. Let's go to line 80 until 109. Here, implement the F1 special case. If the employee is on F1, the controller looks for an existing visa status. If none exists, it looks at the latest OBD recipe document or at line 95 to 99 and create a new visa status at lines 101 to 106. Pre-attaching OBT recipe as pending when the document exits. Okay, then let's still in HR controller, and then let's see 177 until 180. 187. Okay. Implement stage Z employees who register but have not submitted onboarding yet. The next step is submit onboarding application. And line 190, 99 to 219. Here, implement stage A, onboarding applications still in the pipeline. Pending becomes HR reviews boarding application. Rejected becomes employee resubmits onboarding. And like 221 to 252. Here, implement stage B, employees already in the visa workflow. The controller calls visa next step, computes dates remaining, and returns the current document and status for HR action. Okay, next we're gonna go to front end. Okay, front end, let's go to here, page. Yes, HR. Let's go to HR visa status here. Let's go to here and line 44. You see, line 44 to 60, 68. Here, fetch either in progress states or alt tab data depending on the active tab. Line 70 to 87. Here, implement submit a review and line 89 until 98. Implement send notification. And then, okay, let's see line 130. Here to 45. Decide whether to render the in progress table or the all table. Lines 148 to 196. Is it 96? Yes. Render the review dialog with preview button, feedback, and approve reject action. And within in progress table, line 221 here and to 235. Handle the no application branch, line 238 to 258. Handle the application branch, and line 36 until here 289. Handle the visa step branch with either review or send notification depending on current setup status. Okay, let's go back to backend and here controller. Let's go to HR controller. Okay, let's see line 256 here until 286. Here, implement list visa all. The controller collects all visa status employees optionally filters by search and maps approved documents into approved docs. Okay, and let's go to front end. Front end control. Hold on a second. Oh, I think it's backend. Let's go to backend and controller. Yes. And HR controller. Let's see 250. Let me see. Okay, we already done this part, I think, and we're gonna see, yeah, front end pages. And let's go to HR visa status. Yep. Here, line 15 to 22. HR visa status. Yeah, line 15 to 22. Okay, implement open docking by fetching a blob, creating an object URL, opening it in a new tab, and later revoking the URL. Okay, let's go to here. Okay, still in the same file. Let's go to 296. 296, yes, until 330. Let me see, 38. Until the end. Implement all table and lines 321 to 330. Render each approved document as a clickable green chip that call open docking line. Okay, let's go to backend and then controller, chart controller. Okay, let's see 280 here. Let's look at this part. Implement refill visa document. And then let's go and line 283 to 280 98. Oh, 293 to 293 to 98. Yeah. Validate the step and decision. And line 300 here, 300 to 304. This implement refill visa document. Oh, sorry, no. Ensure the current step is actually pending. And line 306 and 313. Let's see, this branch into redress various approve, and line 314 to 115 stamp reviewed at and safe. Okay, let's see 223 until 38, and this implement send a next step notification and handle the no onboarding case and handle rejected onboarding, and also the next 340 to 350 handle setup specific visa reminders such as OBD recipe, OBD EAD, I-983 and I-20. And the controller tried to send the email at line 355 and to the end. Yeah, and still returns and a structure JSON response at line 361. Okay, let's go to still in the same file and go to controllers. Visa controllers here. And then let's see line 80 until this, till 90 or 95. Till 95. Okay, this implement document download with ownership enforcement, and 81 to 85 load the document, throw 404 if it does not exist, and throw 403 if the current user is neither the owner nor HR. Line 86 let me see, 86 to 95 string the file with inline or attachment disposition, because this ownership check is in the backend controller. A user cannot bypass it by manually typing another employee's document URL. Okay, that's all the code explanation. And thank you for listening and watching.